If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then first of all we need to go to Settings. In the settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to go to Apps. Over here scroll down again to find App Lock. Now we need to choose the primary password for the app lock, so we can choose one of the methods. I'm gonna choose a simple PIN code. Enter the password twice in order to confirm. And now we have the option to lock apps. So we have the list of apps that we have installed, and you can tap on these switches in order to choose which apps should be locked. Now, in addition to that, we need to go to settings. So tap on the setting icon on the right side. And over here, we need to select to use Fingerprint to unlock. Of course, you will need to have Fingerprint added first to your phone. So once you add the Fingerprint to your phone, you should be able to enable that option. And then if you try to open any of the selected apps, you will be able to use the fingerprint sensor in order to unlock it. And if you cancel, you can still enter the normal password, the primary password that you have set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.